Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Ember from Brawl Stars. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm gonna begin with drawing her headband with a curved line across. Right there. Turn it downwards on both sides. And another curved line across at this lower point, right there. Semicircle turn at the sides, inwards. And above the headband, I'm gonna draw her hair from the outer corner on the left with a semicircle line upwards. Turn it to the right at this upper corner. Extend it to the right and curl it slightly upwards on the right corner. Turn it downwards at that point with a curved line, and below that line I'm gonna draw a curved line from the inner point across to the outer corner on the right, and curved line downwards from the tip of that hair to the top of the headband on the right side. Now below the headband, I'm gonna draw another curved line across, right there, and from the left corner, a curved line downwards. Turn it inwards with a curved line at this lower point, and sharp turn upwards. Above that, another diagonal curved line across, sharp turn upwards. And at the upper point right there, diagonal curved line upwards towards her headband. On the right side, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards, right there, and turn it inwards at the lower point. On the left side of that curved line, I'm going to draw the shape of her face with a curved line downwards from the headband to the tip of the curved line below, extend it downwards, semicircle turn to the left, and turn it diagonally up to the left side of her face. On the right side of her face, I'm gonna draw her earring with a circular shape at this lower point. And for her ear on the left side, I'm gonna draw from the side a curved line out, semicircle turn downwards, curved line all the way to the top of her earring. And for her earring, I'm gonna draw a circular shape for the lower part right there. And for the upper part, a zigzag line across to the right. Now for her right eye, I'm going to draw an oval shape right there. And above the eye, from the inner corner, I'm going to draw a curved line and stretch it upwards at the outer corner. Turn it downwards at the outer corner, sharp turn diagonally upwards on the right side, and curved line downwards to the outer corner of the eye. I'm gonna fill in the space in that shape right there with black color. And at the left corner inside the eye, I'm gonna draw an oval black shape right there. For her left eye, I'm gonna draw an arch curved line across for the top of her eye. Sharp turn back upwards to the left with an arch curved line to the outer corner, and turn it downwards, diagonal turn out to the left, and curved line back downwards to the outer corner of the eye. I'm gonna fill the shape with black color as well. For the lower line of her eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line across and turn it downwards in the middle point. Inside of the eye, I'm gonna draw an oval shape and fill that in with black color. For her nose, I'm gonna draw a curved line across between the eye and mirror that shape at the lower point. Below her nose, I'm gonna draw a curved line across for her mouth right there. And below the head on the left, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards for her neck, and another one for the right side of her neck. Below that line, a curved line across turn it diagonally down to the left corner, and semicircle turn downwards, semicircle turn diagonally in and downwards. At the upper edge of that shape, I'm gonna trace the same line across right there. And on the right side of the arm, I'm gonna draw a curved line across to the left, semicircle turn at that corner, and turn it back out at this lower point and upwards. On the right side of that shape, I'm gonna draw a semi-oval shape right there, and another one at this outer corner on the right. Inside of every oval shape, I'm gonna draw another smaller oval shape right there, and for this outer oval shape as well. Curve line out from the ending point of that oval shape and turn it upwards, and I'm gonna do the same thing for this upper corner. Curve line downwards on the right side of that, and diagonal line upwards for this lower point, and diagonal line downwards for this upper point. Curve line downwards at this ending point on the right, and on the right side of that at this upper point, I'm gonna draw her thumb with a curved line diagonally down, semicircle turn to the right and turn it upwards. Curve line back to the left at the upper point of the thumb. Above the thumb, I'm gonna draw a line upwards diagonally, and I'm gonna extend that line downwards below the thumb as well. Copy the same set of line again on the outer corner on the right here, and I'm gonna leave a gap for the fingers at that corner and at this lower point. Now for the fingers, I'm gonna draw on the right corner a curved line across to the left, semicircle turn at the tip, back out to the right, and semicircle turn upwards, sideways to the left. Copy the same shape of the fingers again at this lower point, and again, and a short one for the last finger. At the lowest point of the torch, I'm going to draw a curved line across, and I'm going to copy the same curved line across again at this upper point, and another one here, and another one right there. Above the torch, I'm going to draw a rectangular shape right there, and another one above that. Along the upper section, I'm going to draw some lines across. Below the torch, I'm going to draw a circular line along the bottom of the torch right there. Leave a gap in the middle at this lowest point, and I'm going to do a similar curved line on the right side right here. And at the gap, I'm gonna draw a curved diagonal line across, semicircle turn at the ending point below, and another diagonal curved line at this lower point. Turn it diagonally to the left, semicircle turn upwards, and a diagonal curved line back upwards to the right. Above the first knot, I'm gonna draw a curved line at that corner, semicircle turn to the left. Now I'm going to draw another smaller circle along the inner edges right here. And below the knot, I'm going to draw a string coming down with a line downwards and another one at the side of that. Below that, a diagonal line downwards to the right, and another one below that. A semicircle line across at the ending point of that diagonal line. Above that diagonal line on the right, I'm going to draw a rectangular shape at that corner. And below, I'm going to continue the line of the knots downwards, semicircle turn back upwards on the right side. Below that, I'm gonna draw a V shape and semicircular turn on the right corner to the left. From the left corner, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line downwards, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side right here. Semicircle line across the bottom part of that shape right there. Inside of that, I'm gonna trace the lower point of that circular shape right there, and an oval shape across the top of that. On the right corner, I'm gonna draw a thick diagonal line right there, and I'm gonna mirror that on the left side. Below that, in the middle point of that diagonal lines, I'm gonna draw an upside down V shape. Now below her arm on the right, I'm gonna draw a curved line diagonally in and turn it downwards. For the middle point of her buckle, I'm gonna draw a semicircle line right there, and I'm gonna leave the top part with a gap, and at the gap I'm gonna draw a V shape. Below that V shape, I'm gonna draw an oval shape at that corner, and on the right side of that oval shape, I'm gonna draw another smaller oval shape at that corner. At the side of the buckle, at the upper point, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line to the waist and upwards. Mirror the same diagonal line at this lower point, and curved line downwards at the sides. In the middle point of that belt, at the side of the buckle, I'm gonna draw a semi-oval shape right there, and I'm gonna copy the whole belt shape on the left side right here. Below the belt on the left, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards. Turn it sideways diagonally to the right, and semicircle turn back up towards her belt. On the right side, a curved line down and flare it out diagonally to the right, and curved line back to the middle point of her skirt right there. Below that, for her legs, a curved line downwards for the outer line on the right leg, and a curved line down for the inner line diagonally out, curved line downwards below the knee point, and curved line across from the inner line of the legs to the outer line. For the top of her boots, I'm gonna draw a long oval shape at that corner, and from the side of that oval shape, I'm gonna continue the line of her boots downwards and inwards towards her ankle point, curved line downwards below the ankle point on the right side right there, curved line across to the left for the base of the boots, and turn it upwards. An oval shape at that corner, and at the front point of her ankle, I'm gonna draw across a curved line. Above that line, off center, I'm gonna draw a line up on both the left and right. Along that shape, I'm gonna draw some lines across right there, and I'm gonna draw the left leg with a similar shape. Now for her left arm, I'm gonna draw a curved line out from the base of her neck on the left, semicircle turn downwards at the side of her shoulder, curved line diagonally out at the side of that, semicircle turn downwards, and semicircle turn back out and down to the tip of her thumb, semicircle turn to the right. For the inner line of that arm, I'm going to draw from the side of her outfit a diagonal curve line out and a curve line downwards at the side of that. A curve line across above her elbow right there, and another one above her wrist. At the back of her head, on the left, I'm going to draw a curve line downwards, turn it sideways to the right, copy the same shape again at this lower point right there. And finally, I'm gonna draw a thick line along the outer edges. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.